The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Traditional manifestation methods can often feel like a maze, a series of complex steps and endless waiting for something to happen. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, invest time and energy, and still feel like you're getting nowhere. The good news is there's a different path, a simpler, more direct route that bypasses the confusion and delivers results. This alternative approach isn't about endless striving or trying to force things to happen. Instead, it taps into the natural power of your mind to effortlessly attract what you desire. It's about working smarter, not harder, and aligning with the universe in a way that feels easy and joyful. So if you're ready to let go of the struggle and discover a truly effortless way to manifest, then keep watching. We're about to unveil a game-changing method that will empower you to create the life you've always wanted, with ease and grace. Let's face it, the world of manifestation can be a confusing place. We're bombarded with conflicting advice, complex techniques, and promises of overnight success. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, thinking that if we just follow the right steps, our dreams will magically appear. One of the biggest misconceptions is the idea that manifestation is all about positive vibes only. We're told to suppress any negative emotions, to constantly visualize our desires, and to believe with unwavering faith. While these things can be helpful, they can also become a burden. It's unrealistic to expect ourselves to be happy and optimistic all the time, and trying to force it can actually backfire. Another common roadblock is the belief that manifestation requires constant effort. We're encouraged to create elaborate vision boards, write endless affirmations, and engage in daily rituals. While these practices can be beneficial, they can also feel like a chore. If we're not careful, manifestation can become just another item on our to-do list, adding stress instead of relieving it. Many traditional methods also focus heavily on external factors. We're told to visualize specific outcomes, to set detailed goals, and to focus on the material aspects of what we want.
Disappointment.
When we attach our happiness to external circumstances, we set ourselves up for a roller coaster of emotions. The truth is, manifestation isn't about controlling the universe or manipulating outcomes. It's not about forcing things to happen or trying to bend reality to our will. Instead, it's about aligning ourselves with the natural flow of life and allowing our desires to unfold effortlessly. One of the biggest problems with traditional methods is that they often overcomplicate the process. We've been bombarded with information overload, conflicting advice, and a never-ending list of things to do. This can lead to confusion, overwhelm, and a sense of being lost in the labyrinth of manifestation. Furthermore, many traditional methods focus on doing rather than being. We're told to take specific actions, follow certain rituals, and repeat affirmations like mantras. While these practices can be helpful, they can also distract us from the most important aspect of manifestation, our internal state. True manifestation starts from within. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and trust. It's about letting go of limiting beliefs and accepting our true potential. When we focus on our inner world, the outer world naturally reflects our inner state. Another challenge with traditional methods is the emphasis on external validation. We're often encouraged to seek approval from others, to compare our progress to that of others, and to measure our success based on external markers. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, and a constant need for external validation. True manifestation isn't about seeking external validation. It's about finding validation within ourselves. It's about recognizing our own worthiness, accepting our unique gifts, and celebrating our individual journey. When we focus on our own inner validation, the external world naturally aligns with our inner truth. The good news is, there's a simpler, more natural way to manifest. A way that doesn't require endless effort, complicated rituals, or a constant battle with our emotions. It's a way that honors our individuality, accepts our humanness, and allows us to tap into the limitless power of our own minds. If you're ready to let go of the struggle and discover a truly effortless way to manifest, then keep watching. We're about to unveil a game-changing method that will simplify the process, empower you to create the life you desire, and finally unlock the true potential of your mind. Now let's unlock the door to a simpler, more powerful way to manifest: the mental movie technique. Imagine your mind as a movie theater, and you're the director. In this theater, you can create any scene you desire, with you as the star. This mental movie isn't just a daydream. It's a vivid, detailed, and emotionally engaging experience that allows you to step into the reality you want to create. Here's how it works. Close your eyes and envision yourself living your ideal life. See the details, feel the emotions, and experience it as if it's happening right now. The more senses you involve, the more powerful the technique becomes. Smell the ocean breeze on your dream vacation. Hear the applause as you achieve a major goal. Taste the success of your new business venture. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about creating a blueprint for your subconscious mind to follow. The mental movie technique rewires your brain to expect and attract the things you desire. You might be wondering, why does creating a mental movie actually work? Well, it's based on the science of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt. When you consistently visualize a specific outcome, your brain starts to believe it's possible. Visualization activates the same neural pathways as actually experiencing something. Your brain doesn't distinguish between a real event and a vividly imagined one. So when you create a mental movie of your dream life, your brain starts to respond as if it's already happening. This technique also taps into the immense power of belief and expectation. When you truly believe something is possible, you open yourself up to receiving it. Your subconscious mind starts working behind the scenes, attracting opportunities and aligning circumstances to bring your desires into reality. The mental movie technique isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about rewiring your brain, cultivating a deep sense of belief, and setting the stage for your dreams to manifest effortlessly. Creating your mental movie is like crafting a masterpiece in your mind. It's about bringing your deepest desires to life through vivid imagery, engaging all your senses. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let go of any tension or worries. Now, envision yourself in the scene of your desired reality. If your dream is to travel the world, picture yourself walking on a sun-kissed beach, feeling the warm sand between your toes, and hearing the gentle waves crashing on the shore. If your goal is to start a successful business, see yourself confidently leading meetings, signing important contracts, and celebrating your achievements with your team. The key is to make it as detailed and realistic as possible. Notice the colors, the sounds, the smells, and the emotions. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude as if it's already happening. This is your movie, and you're the director. Allow yourself to get lost in the experience, to truly feel what it would be like to live your dream. Don't be afraid to add elements of fun and playfulness to your mental movie. Let your imagination run wild and create a scene that truly excites you. The more emotionally engaging your visualization is, the more powerful it will be. The mental movie technique isn't a one-time event. It's a practice that, with repetition, becomes a natural part of your life. The more you engage in it, the stronger your ability to manifest will become. One of the simplest ways to incorporate this technique into your daily routine is to set aside a few minutes each day for your visualization. This could be first thing in the morning, before bed, or during a break at work. Find a time that works best for you and stick to it. As you get more comfortable with the technique, you can start to incorporate it into other parts of your day. While you're exercising, commuting, or even doing chores, take a few moments to close your eyes and visualize your desired outcome. The more you practice, the easier it will become to tap into the feeling of having what you want, even when you're not actively visualizing. The key is to make it a habit. Don't worry about being perfect or having the most elaborate visualizations. The most important thing is to be consistent and to enjoy the process. On your journey with the mental movie technique, it's natural to encounter some bumps in the road. Doubts may creep in, and your old patterns of thinking might try to pull you back. This is completely normal, and it's important to be prepared for it. One common challenge is the feeling that your visualizations aren't working. You might start to question the effectiveness of the technique, or wonder if it's even possible for you to manifest your desires. In those moments, recall that manifestation is a process, not an overnight miracle. It takes time, patience, and unwavering belief. Another challenge is the fear of failure. You might worry that if you don't manifest your desires, it means there's something wrong with you or that you're not worthy of receiving them. But recall that there are no failures in manifestation, only opportunities for growth and learning. Each mental movie you create is a step in the right direction, even if the results aren't immediately apparent. When you find yourself facing doubts or resistance, try these simple yet powerful strategies. Acknowledge your feelings. Don't try to suppress or deny your doubts. Allow yourself to feel them fully, then gently release them. Focus on the present moment. Rather than getting caught up in worries about the future, bring your attention to the here and now. Focus on the simple joys of your current experience. Practice gratitude. Take a few moments each day to appreciate the good things in your life. This will help shift your focus from lack to abundance. Reconnect with your why. Recall that why you started this journey in the first place. What are your deepest desires? What is it that you truly want to create in your life? Be kind to yourself. Manifestation is a journey of self-discovery and growth. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and recall that you're always worthy of love, happiness, and abundance. Recall that you are not alone on this journey. Millions of people have successfully used visualization to create their dream lives, and you can too. The key is to persevere, to trust the process, and to never give up on your dreams. The power to transform your life is within you, right now. It's time to stop waiting for the perfect moment or the ideal circumstances. Your dreams are worth pursuing today, not tomorrow. I invite you to take the first step on this exciting journey. Don't worry about being perfect or having all the answers. Start by simply closing your eyes and envisioning the life you desire. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the possibility that comes with creating your own mental movie. Remind yourself that every journey begins with a single step. Your first visualization is the first brushstroke on the canvas of your new reality. With each mental movie you create, you're building momentum and moving closer to your goals. Don't let doubts or fears hold you back. Trust in yourself. Trust in the process. And trust in the infinite possibilities that await you. The time to act is now. Today, we've taken a fresh look at manifestation and discovered a simpler, more powerful approach: the mental movie technique. By crafting vivid visualizations of your desires and engaging all your senses, you can tap into the immense power of your subconscious mind to attract what you want. This technique is not about endless striving or trying to force things to happen. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe and allowing your desires to unfold effortlessly. It's about trusting in yourself, believing in your worthiness, and taking inspired action towards your goals. Keep in mind that the power to create your dream life lies within you. You have the ability to shape your reality, to overcome challenges, and to achieve your wildest dreams. By incorporating the mental movie technique into your daily routine, you're not just visualizing your future, you're actively creating it. I hope this video has inspired you to accept the simplicity and power of visualization. As you continue on your journey, don't forget to be patient, be kind to yourself, and most importantly, never stop believing in your dreams. If you'd like to see more content like this, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.